Hi everyone! Summer is finally here, so that means we're gonna go out, explore, and use your bikes way more than before. So this DIY is gonna help you build your dream bike rack right at home, especially for small places. Get all your materials and let's do this. Here's what you will need to build this DIY wooden bike rack: a drill, a saw, 8x2 screws, measuring tape, a pencil, and 2x6 or 2x8 pine wood. Start by measuring your wood pieces based on your design. The first thing we're gonna do is to create two exact same pieces of wood to set up as a base, and they're gonna measure 2 feet each. So make sure before you cut, you set up the blade against your mark, and then let's go. Now, we're gonna cut 4 pieces of 24 inches each, and these pieces are gonna serve as part of our structure of the bike rack. Attach your base supports to the bottom board using screws. Okay, we're just eyeballing, because now then we need to measure the gap between them, but basically something like that. Oh yeah. For the next step, we're gonna create 2 supports that are gonna be in a 45-degree angle, that they're gonna support our vertical versus our horizontal cuts. To make the rack extra sturdy, we will reinforce them with the cross braces at the bottom and at the top. Ta-da! This is the cutest wooden bike rack, and we are officially done. And just take a look at how cute and functional it is. No more tripping over bikes, and everything has its perfect spot. For all the cutting details, precise measurements, and every step needed to build this bike rack, head to homenetwork.ca and follow our full DIY bike rack tutorial and get building like a pro. Thank you so much for watching. We really hope you love this DIY idea and you try it at home this summer season. I'll see you in the next episode.